Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. The benefits of Google online advertising and display ads and benefits of Google ads. Benefit on Google display ads. The four benefits on Google display ad. Number one, affordable. Number two, rich. Number three, gold and affordable and each to use. The number four benefits the Google display ads. Google display ad can be a powerful tools of reach new customer growing our business when Google display ads are the potential part of your online marketing planning and display on our needed as object her for notable benefits with consideration. Number one, affordable. At just 3063 per click, Google display ads are more than $2 cheaper per click than their popular alternative Google search ad on to go from 2.69 per click dollar. Google display ad are also less than and which cost another. Reach. Google display ad all advertising to reach potential customer arrows 35 million site and apps on the Google Display Network and Google platforms like YouTube and Gmail. The very important the Google Display Network and Google platforms like number one YouTube, number two Gmail and sponsor and just search network. Best of all, you can use related start also ads and people however visit your site and part the engaging them to returns and make a purchase. Number three, goal adaptability. Google Ads latest you optimize your campaign and ad groups based on your online marketing goal. You can choose right you want to forecast to marketing plus the goal affordability. The Google Ads list you optimize your campaign and group based on your online marketing and goal. You can choose when you want to forecast on making sales, sending leads to your landing page to build brand awareness. Number four, easy of users. The Google Ads use matching the landing to optimize targeting and create and smart branding strategies so your display ads have the best chance of achieve your digital marketing goal who use an effort in it. Optimize your Google display ad campaign. You want display is upload running the check take parts and Google Analytics and use data make the adjust and difference can performance make and strategies targeted use and targeted and your display ad on visibility side don't make and purchase. The eight type of display ad in e-commerce. The make clear valuable prostitution and right benefits Google display ad are image video tags and souls ad and parses account website and YouTube or Gmail in mobile apps. Google display ads can help you the 90% the internet user in the world buying cycle even discovery and purchase but the ad don't adjust shows is always and Google powerful matching and technology use the millions of significant difference between people who can simple internet in business from those have the only bias. You add great mass the control and business and your customers. Then the online injustice and break and customers always and things looking online on obtain make the purchase and Google display ads which is the them display ads can help reach customer across and complex and multiple journey. You can drive on when you are the potential customer and spreading this on online. Google discovery ad and ad ads. Google discovery ads you given the brand awareness by getting your ads from customer go and there the Google their site using the multiple targeted method and content optimize. We have drive and relevance ad customers and highly targeted relevant advertising. Great benefits of business closes your message and more effective targeted and more like your product and service. The Google Discovery adds your online display ads in the performancely that this is design and managing you come perfect content and audience targeted tools and effective however and contain an audience and effective even this that you ads and perfectly designed beauty unique your business and perfect ad your hung that most popular website YouTube Gmail mobile and apps reach new customer however yet an active search and from your business advanced choose both message and niche website and mobile apps and your product service engage with an user and defense tax and is Google display ads. The responsive display adds your the attention and go Google display network response and display automatically generate your active assets the provide handling and Google display scan and long image and videos. Google matching the learn mobile learn is model difference and optional camping of you create and assistant automatically size and appends format of your hand and this Google display network resource display handover reach and all over Google display ads drive on best result and Google display ad handling in five marketing audience is load and including videos and caption customer attention. However, Google start an image ad full-time forecasting GPS etc. Google Gmail ad shows in create popular and Gmail ad and how display ads and YouTube banners ad etc etc. The benefits reach people in multiple place discover a campaign can reach people worldwide arrows the 35 millions website and apps and the Google word the potential YouTube and Gmail and allows experience search banner and etc. The major Google display ad is visibility appearance display ad and support banner or brand awareness and visibility display ad and targeted display ad and own request internet customer display ad and create and display ad block and chip the eight benefits of display ad on the Google display eight benefits of display ad advertising you can invert eight benefits why display advertising and number one display ad visibility offerings number two display and support banner awareness and visibility number three display ad are the targeting number four the display ad always your rating and constant number 5 display ad can be reach and customer on 5 the number and 6 display ad can be broken and competitor number 8 display ad partners will the marketing and strategy number 8 display ad can be easy tracking and for efficient but every I've said the benefits 4 benefits and 8 benefits 8 benefits of Google display advertising and display advertising. The benefits of online advertising and Google Ads. Online marketing always shows and ads the people who's like an internet your product and service who will the fitness and pro and attend and the click tracking the people click and your ads online advertising also given an opportunity reach potential customer as the multiple device desktop laptop text and the smartphone. Benefits of Google Ads, the targeted ads content called multi managing ads. Thank you, best of luck.